Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make my Haitian Black Rice using Maggi Djon Djon and Pigeon Peas. Maggi Djon Djon is a mushroom-flavored bouillon cube. You will need 2 cups of jasmine white rice, 4 cups of water, 1 15-ounce can of the dried pigeon peas, 1/4 packaged cream coconut, 2 tablespoons épices, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 1½ Maggi Djon Djon, 2 tablespoons oil, salt, thyme, and parsley. In a hot pot, add the oil and the épices. Add the Maggi Djon Djon. Drain the pigeon peas and rinse and then add it to the pot. Add the cream of coconut. Add 4 cups of water. Allow the cream of coconut to dissolve and allow the water to come up to a boil. Add the thyme and parsley. Add the 2 cups of rice that has been rinsed under cold water at least 3 times. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir the rice in the pot and leave the pot uncovered while it cooks and the water will reduce. Once the liquid has reduced, go ahead and do one final stir. Cover the pot with a lid and lower the temperature to medium-high and let this rice cook for about 35 minutes. And there you have it, Haitian Black Rice using Maggi Djon Djon and Pigeon Peas. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.